Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Punky, and I have another wine fridge that I need to look at because it is not working properly. So let's get into it. Whoa! Woo! Good old snapping. All right, so this is the unit we have to work on today. Now, I picked it up and they said it does not work when you plug it in. This is not a thermoelectric fridge. This is a compressor fridge. So, let's do the first obvious test here. We're going to plug it in and see if anything happens. Nothing. Nada. Zip. So let's do another quick test here. Do we even have power going to this cord? Let's find out. We have power. It goes all the way to the back. So we know it's not a power cord issue. We may have to dive deeper into this, like into the circuitry of this unit. Welcome to the back side of the fridge. Okay, so we know that we have power back there. So I think we need to go and check out what's going on inside of this box here so we can get a better idea of what the hell we are up against. Before we dive into this sucker though, we're gonna make sure that we unplug the plug before we even try to get inside that electrical box. Dishes are done, man.
My little Tasmanian, you won't put me down. I'll never stand for it, but you won't let me out.
All right, now we're into the meat and potatoes of this unit. So, if you're this far, I highly recommend you take a picture of how all the wires are plugged into here, just so you don't mix them up when you're hooking it back up. Looks like there's fans and all sorts of other stuff right there you don't want to screw up. And it looks like we're gonna have to test some capacitors here, maybe a vary resistor. We're gonna find out. We'll see what happens. Let's dig deeper. Just get it out of the equation right now. Pull this, let's pull the power cord out. Okay, and out skis. Okay, now let's take the rest of the screws out of here. Put these bad boys inside of there. And let's go to the workbench and start testing some of these components out. So after doing some testing on the board that I pulled, I tested all the capacitors. Capacitors are fine. I tested all these diodes. They look fine. But there's one diode over here. And I put a little positive right there because I'm actually going to take it out. I don't know if you can see it properly. Focus. Anyways, it's right there. And on my multimeter, like if I do a test right here on these other diodes, I get a reading. Okay, good. Now I'm going to reverse it because positive's over here. Okay, I got a reading. Good. Let's do the same over here. Oh, I got it reversed. Okay, yep. Got a good reading there. We're going to go over here. Test it. Yeah, got a good reading. I go over here now to this guy, and I'm going to test it. Whoops. And I get 0. It says it shows some numbers for a second, and then nothing. I think that's a bad diode. And we're going to unsolder it with my desoldering gun and see if I can steal one off of a different circuit board or something, because I don't know if I have that one in stock, but we will see. We'll get the numbers off of it and we'll go from there.
I'm so lost.
Gotta want it, Rita. Okay, that one's coming loose. Now this one right here, I gotta bend it just carefully enough. There it is. Oh, I don't want to destroy the pad though. Okay. Let's see if we can unfuck that. And we will have to fix that. Okay. So we can get that out safely now. Oh yeah, come on, baby. Come up. Come up. Come up, come up, come up. There it is. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. Alright, it's out. So this is a SF26. Let's test it with the meter again. I unsoldered the diode and I was checking values on it, of course, just while it was out of there. And we're going to check it again, and you will see that this motherfucker has got a short. I think we figured it out. We got a bad diode right here. So I try to find other replacement ones out of other boards that I could maybe salvage and everything, but I think I'm just gonna have to order it through the Amazon and get it tomorrow so I can fix it. All right, welcome back everybody. For you it was 1 second. For me, I had to wait a good 12 hours to get the parts. Anyways, I got a replacement diode. We are going to put it in the circuit board and see if we can make this fridge come back to life. Because as you can see in the previous video, we took the diode off the board because it has a short to it. So we have a different diode now. We have a 1N4007 diode. I only needed one, but it's like one of those ammunition you put into one of those Gatling guns. Like, look at this thing. I could wear it around my neck like this, like, yeah, reload, reload, come on. I mean, geez, look at it. Crazy sauce. Anyways, so we pulled one of them off of here, and we're going to solder it into the board, and we will see if the board comes back to life and if the fridge comes back to life. Here we go. We have our diode right here. We are going to put it in the board. You know what? This is probably cheating and I don't care. I'm going to put a little piece of tape on there so that it doesn't move while I'm soldering it. Okay. So we're up to temperature on that. All right. Here we go. On the pad. Yeah, let's make it suck a little less though. I'm through with speaking, 'cause you tend to enchant. It's not that. Okay. The thing is about this board, because I looked it up too, like if you wanted to just go and replace this board, if you wanted to be like, oh yeah, the board's no good, it took a crap and I don't want to do any soldering or whatever, and just buy a replacement and throw it in, you can't get one. I tried. I researched and just tried to look to see what was even available, and it's not available. So the next best thing and the only option is to fix your existing circuit board. So that's what we did. And now we're going to put it all back inside of the fridge. It's simply 'cause I can't. Okay. Now, we're going to plug her in. And we'll see what happens. I'm crossing my fingers that we get something on that display. Let's see. I'm plugging it in right now. Yes! Yes! Oh, yes, baby! Oh, this one goes to 41 degrees, too. Oh, this is great.
I'm so lost. Wanna be found. And I want you now. So give me what I want. Baby, I'll crumble, crumble, crumble to my knees. So don't you go.
Fantastic. Well, just a little soldering right there and, you know, replacing a diode is good to go. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Punky's World.